Cat Toy Review Part 1. A Plastic Spoon. So one day I saw my cat knocking off a spoon from the table, and playing with it.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
One hour later.
The spoon came free with a plastic container. All we had to do was leave it on the table.
2 hours later. Three hours later. 12 seconds later.
Since that day she would only play with that spoon. Gone the days when we had to buy expensive stuff for our cats. No more investing in expensive cat toys. No more begging cats to play. No more regretting overspending money on useless cat toys. All you have to do is find a plastic spoon. I would rate it 7.5 out of 10.
Bruh.